Magpapasalamat po kami ang Intersex Philippines at Intersex Asia sa pagdala po ninyo ngayon sa mga parents kasi napakahalaga nitong event natin ngayon para sa matugunan yung pangangailangan ninyo with regards to access to medicine at yung healthcare natin. I know it will not, hindi isang iglap dahil alam naman natin yung proseso. But ang mahalaga, sinisimulan na natin. Kaya napapasalamat ako sa inyo.
The problem with Filipinos who are born with CAH is that we don't have access to medicines. Since it's a lifetime condition, you need 2 types of medicines for life, which both are not accessible in the Philippines. You cannot buy them in pharmacies, so you'll have to have friends abroad to be able to get the medicines.
Next few years, with all the collaborations coming from the Intersex, the DOH, the support groups, I really hope na itong immediate concerns natin ng mga parents natin will come to a realization, no?
Sa mga co-parents ko, magpakatatag lang po lagi. Lagi po nilang tandaan na nandito lang po kaming mga parents para umalalay po sa kanila. Hindi po sila nag-iisa. Lagi po kaming magkasama sa bawat laban po namin.
Sabi nga, kailangan natin ang makaranas